What if the sun, the very source of our life, becomes a source of disruption? Ever wondered about solar storms and their impact on Earth? Let's delve into this cosmic phenomenon. Solar storms, also known as solar flares, arise from the sun's atmosphere. When magnetic energy that's been built up in the sun's atmosphere is suddenly released, it leads to the ejection of a vast amount of charged particles. This is a solar storm. The year 2024 witnessed a formidable solar storm that reached Earth. It was a spectacle to behold, with vibrant northern lights painting the skies across the northern hemisphere. These breathtaking auroras made appearances not just in the usual places like Scandinavia and Canada, but they reached as far as the midwestern United States and Europe. The sight was nothing short of a cosmic dance, a brilliant display of nature's power and beauty. But the beautiful northern lights are just one side of the coin. The other side can be far less appealing. When these charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's magnetic field, we are in for a geomagnetic storm. Now you might wonder, what's the big deal? Well, these storms aren't just cosmic light shows. They can have serious consequences right here on Earth. Picture this. You're enjoying a peaceful evening at home when suddenly your power goes out. Your phone, your television, your refrigerator, all gone dark. This is one of the potential effects of a powerful solar storm. The charged particles can disrupt power grids, causing widespread blackouts. Equally, these storms can interfere with satellite communications. That means your GPS might start acting up, causing chaos for everyone from airplane pilots to weekend hikers. And if you think that's bad, imagine the disruption to emergency services or military operations. Now, before you start panicking, there's good news. Earth has its very own force field, its magnetic field. This invisible shield deflects most of the sun's harmful radiation. But when a particularly strong solar storm hits, the magnetic field can wobble, like a spinning top that's been knocked. This wobble can cause the disruptions we've talked about, so who's keeping an eye on all of this? Well, organizations like the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA for short. They issue warnings for severe geomagnetic storms, helping authorities prepare for any potential disruptions. But it's not all doom and gloom. These storms can also result in something truly beautiful, the northern lights. These vibrant displays are actually the result of charged particles from the sun colliding with atoms in our planet's atmosphere. So while we marvel at the beauty of the northern lights, scientists and authorities are on high alert, monitoring the situation for any potential disruptions. While we have witnessed the beauty and felt the thrill, let us now look at the aftermath of the 2024 solar storm. This celestial event, though a spectacle for the eyes, was not without consequences. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration issued a severe geomagnetic storm warning, indicating potential disruptions to power and communication systems. This could mean anything from flickering lights to temporary blackouts, or even radio silence in certain areas. Yet, despite the severity of the storm, the aftermath was not as dire as one might have feared. The storm, while powerful, did not cause any major disturbances. There were no immediate reports of significant disruptions. The lights stayed on, the phones kept ringing, and life, as it seems, continued on much as it always has. This isn't to say that we can become complacent. After all, solar storms are a reminder of our place in the cosmos. We inhabit a small planet in a vast, dynamic, and ever-changing universe. It seems that for now, Earth has dodged a bullet, but it's a reminder that we live in a dynamic and ever-changing universe. Solar storms are more than just a cosmic spectacle. They hold the potential to disrupt our world as we know it. Delving into the science behind these celestial occurrences isn't just for the sake of curiosity. It's a matter of global security. Understanding these solar storms could be our ticket to preparing for, or even mitigating, the potential disruptions they may cause. Imagine being able to predict and prepare for these events just as we do for hurricanes or tornadoes. That's a future that scientists and space agencies worldwide are striving to achieve. Through constant monitoring and research, they're piecing together the behavior of our sun, its storm cycles, and the subsequent effects on Earth. This understanding doesn't just protect us on the ground. It safeguards our astronauts in space, our satellites, and all the technology we've come to rely on in our day-to-day lives. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, we're not just spectators in this cosmic show. We're participants, and understanding our role is crucial. As we continue to reach for the stars, it's essential to remember that our home planet is still very much a part of the cosmos.